You want to see what Nani and Oompa got for you?
Yeah.
Alright, come look. Let's see what's in the box. Alright. Here, stand over here. Alright. Yes. Who's that?
And Rosie.
Is Rosie?
Yeah.
Oh man. Alright, we got Rosie. Wait. Let me get give me the cereal. Who's this? Is Dash?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, not Dash. Alright, I get it. Who's that?
Victor.
Who?
Victor.
It
Victor.
is Victor. Oh, good job.
Yay!
Good job, man. It's Victor. Let's see who else is in here.
It's Percy.
It's Percy. All right. Let's see who else we got in here.
Is there more?
Oh, who's that?
It's Kobe.
It's Toby.
Yay!
Oh. Say thank you, Oompa.
Thank you, Papa.
All right.